in the beginning, Dan mentioned attrition, turnover. That is detrimental for a startup. Yes, cost-wise, financially, but more importantly is every candidate that you lose is a reflection of the culture. That person's gone. It's going to be a conversation. So how did we protect that going in? In the manufacturing industry, there is a standard of 30 to 40% turnover. As of today, we have that number at 6%. That
nice. We got a clap from the audience.
I told you the crowd would go wild.
Yeah, there you go.
But that's a testament to Suniva following through on their commitment to take care of their people, their commitment to develop within. I think probably about 10 people since they've started less than 90 days ago have been elevated to their next opportunity or switched organizations within Suniva because they felt more passionate there. On what planet do we hear of that happening that quickly? It's incredible. So I think, the industry standard and the attrition rate, Dan, that was scary to you, right? I guess, how do you feel about that being the case now?
How do you start up when you're going to run a 24/7 operation and there's 40 folks on every shift and you have a 40% turnover rate? That's 16 people. There's no way. Can we run a shift without 16 of you? No way. So it would literally shut down our production. So we wanted to get out the gate, right culture, right environment, the right people. And we got the right people.
Yeah.
And it was only because of Global. It was a partnership with Insight Global because they understood the stresses that could make us fail.